What happens when a bullet hits a bullet? There are some movies with brain holes that have such a plot. Two people hold guns and shoot each other. After the bullets collide head-on in the air, they actually fit together. This is not what I thought. I think the metal material is quite good. It is probably like elastic. Shouldn't bullets bounce back on their own? Have you been fooled by the director again? What about bullets hitting bullets? It did happen on a real battlefield. During the Civil War, there was a battle called the Battle of Fredericksburg. After the war, someone found something like this on the battlefield. This is what was left after two bullets collided. It seems that the director did not fool us this time. Some people question that the material of this old-fashioned bullet is relatively soft, and the modern steel or copper bullet must be different. I think the result should be similar. Even if the bullet cannot hold together, he will never rebound, and the powerful ones will even smash. Here, it involves a physical concept called plastic deformation, which is the exact opposite of the elastic deformation in our high school. For example, when a golf ball hits a wall, it first deforms and then gradually recovers, producing a rebound effect, which is elastic deformation. However, it has a premise that the force of the collision cannot be too large, because Hooke's law tells us that the amount of deformation is related to the force, and the deformation takes time. When the force is too large to keep up with the deformation, the irreversible plastic deformation occurs. The same goes for bullets hitting bullets. At that moment, the impact force is too great. After the bullet is squashed, the shape will not change back, and it will no longer be able to bounce back. But it's not right. In reality, I often hear cases of ricochet wounding people. So why might the bullet not bounce back? This involves the issue of the collision angle. Most of the ricochet hits a hard surface at a small angle. It is not a direct collision, so the impact force is not large, and it does not directly affect the direction of the bullet. The bullet still retains most of its speed, and a head-on collision is not the same thing. So the question is, why should the helmet be round?